Woo-wee. Look at this. Money, I mean, the momentum's getting a lower, so we could have some turbulence. But we are now officially printing bullish divs on the 8 hourly. If we stay down here and confirm an 8 hourly, which is kind of hard, I would say right here would be the perfect place at this golden pocket, about 19,200 to 18,000, 1,800. If we can end up getting that low, that would be, I mean, crazy. Because I'm in shorts all the way from 25,000 and 24,100. I have 5 shorts open from this range up here that are all up thousands of percent at this point. And I am really holding them. If we break this low, I'm holding them for, I mean, I'm going to keep holding them. I mean, that's why I opened the positions to begin with. They started out as little short scalp entries. I was able to take a nice little profit from them and then move my stop loss to entry, and now they have massive profits. Now just from these 5 trades, I've made half my account. Half my account. I made a 50% gain just in these 5 trades, and I have 0 risk in it anymore. So it's not too shabby in my opinion. But basically what I'm looking for is an opportunity to maybe long from here. We could definitely have bullish divergences at this area. This whole area is really a good place if we have some bullish divergences on these lower time frames, which on the 6 minute we're about to print. On the 1 minute we are not printing yet. Money flow is super thick to the downside, but it's curving up. But also we're about to get maybe a little red dot right here, and that'll shoot us down hopefully into here and give us a bullish divergence on the 1 minute. That would be a really great setup for a trade. And if we do come down here and wick back up after, we did break this low, so I'm not really going to be looking for many longs. I'm going to be looking to short every rise, if you know what I'm saying. Because my trade setup for most of my trades was this double top right up here with a target of down to the value area low, which we did bounce off of, came back, retested it again, and I tried to get in along from here. I was able to move my stop loss to break even, so I didn't end up losing anything. And I actually gained, I think I made a pretty nice profit. I mean, like, definitely enough to enter in a couple trades. Definitely worth what I did. But now we're coming down to this next level, which is below my target, which is honestly decent, because this has scared out so many longs. And if we do break through, like if we do break down under this low, people are going to be way more bearish. So once we break this low, people will be looking to short. That's why I think right here will be a really good long position, because we'll come down, we'll wick everybody out of their longs if they were long from here. I know I was long from 21,500, so I got stopped out of my long that was way down here, but trust me, like there was nothing in it, and it was still a big position. Like it wasn't that important, because I already took massive profits out of it all the way up. Even at 25,000 I took some. I took 10% here, 10% here, 10% here, 10% here. Just like on the rise, I was just taking out. So there's probably like 15% even left in the trade. and my stop loss was at break even for some nice juicy profits. I still am long from way down here, and I have orders down to 10K if we end up falling like that. So you know what, the way to win in trading is to prepare for everything and just be ready, because when it happens, it's gonna happen, and you got to be prepared. And if you're not prepared, you're gonna miss it. We look to seem to be printing bullish div on the 3-minute, but I would like to see the 1-minute give me a bullish div. I want you to give me a little red dot here, come down here, whoop, but then come down, whoop, scoop up all this liquidity down here. Give me a nice juicy long setup. Baby, let's go. Because, yeah, 3-minute printing bullish div. 6-minute, not cool. Oh, yep. This is still a bullish div. On the 6-minute. So while we're waiting for this, I'm going to pull up my guy. I was watching this video before I got on the stream.
If you look at what is the most held stock by politicians,
And ain't nobody
you know
in
what
the
stock
stream.
it is? It's Apple. I mean, are they really going to try to come
No
after the company
current
that the number
viewers.
one stock they own is Apple? I don't know.
Yeah,
Average
I think
view
that
duration,
continues to
6
be
minute.
headline risk. I mean,
Zero
obviously the
views.
Epic trial, that was,
Who
I think
viewing?
that really
But
gave
isn't viewing?
investors a lot of agita. But if I look at it right now, I think bark's worse than bite when it comes to Apple from an antitrust perspective. You know, we spend a lot of time in the Beltway. I think right now the lack of consensus is actually a positive. And that App Store, you know, that's one of the key ingredients in their recipe for success in terms of that attach rates. And I think that's why right now this is really Cook navigating the storm.
We'll leave it there. Dan Ives, thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.
Incredible. I bought 2 iPhone 14s. One's like whatever the highest end model is. That's my main phone right now. Another iPhone 14 I have in the kitchen area that I use to film. That's actually the camera I use to film in the kitchen area. So, yeah, I even have helped Apple out a few $1,000s. I pretty much buy a new MacBook Pro almost every single year. I buy a new iPad pretty much every other year. Obviously, I've signed up for their cloud product. So at the end of the day, Apple gets thousands of dollars a year from me and will continue to get thousands of dollars a year from me. And it's just like, that's what makes it an impossible stock to bet against. Next video up here, we're overly obsessed with the Fed.
Case is Jerry Castellini. He is president and CIO of CastleArk Management. Jerry, have you been tempted yourself by some of these, treasurydirect.gov and all the rest of it?
I mean, why not? For the part of a portfolio that needs consistent returns and doesn't have
Treasurydirect.gov. That's the second time I've heard that specifically mentioned. I'm just like trying to figure out like, they sponsoring this, or maybe CNBC's trying to direct everybody to like the place, because people are like, how do I buy a treasury? How does this work?
You bet. I mean, it's a gift. But let's not forget about the gift you have in stocks right now at the same time, and all the negatives that I think by this point there's not going to be any real surprise that we're in a tough economic environment, and one that will probably find its way out at some point.
Right, so you are supposed to be here to make the case for people to stay in the market. Why should they, Jerry? Why shouldn't they just go, you know what? This is so uncertain. I will take the certainty of that, 5% or what have you. Granted, depending on the time frame, they may have to figure out how to reinvest that in 6 months' time.
Yeah. 3 points. First point is we're overly obsessed with the Federal Reserve and all the things they've done and they tell people about and we analyze. The reality is Fed's done their job. Long-term inflation is expected somewhere in the 2s. That's their target. We're there. We're worried about.
Right off the bat, I agree with this right here. Agree that the Fed's job is just about done. Like I said, out of something extraordinary happening, done in the next 3-6 months. That's the bottom line with that. in regards to that, right? The Fed is doing financial markets and fiscal policy makers a world of good by staying hawkish. True, it's keeping stocks down for longer, I will say that. So yeah, LVS, not so much of a fan. China's still a risk. XOM, moneymaker. In MasterCard, if I recall, that's their ticker symbol. Valuation a little bit rich, but I mean, that's just a money printing machine, so it's hard not to just say that's a decent stock, I guess.
Short-term stuff is, and they're telling us they're going to stay hawkish, and that's great. They've taken all the excess out of the system. Close to 100% of all economists and 70% of all CEOs expect a recession. There's no surprise here if one comes. So if there's no surprise, then all of investors in equities have to be looking at stocks where a recession has been dialed in. And I guess my point is, why would you have further downside risk when everyone's already expecting the worst? And think of the other side. At some point...
I want to come back, Jerry, if I might, to something you just said. Forgive me for interrupting. I think I heard you say that the Fed wants inflation in the 2s, and I think I heard you say we're there.
We're there on the 5-year.
On the what?
On the 5-year inflation, the 3s to 5-year inflation-adjusted tips.
So we're not there yet, but we're not there now. I mean, we're not there today, and that's why the Fed is going to continue to raise interest rates. I mean, I don't know how you can possibly say that we're there. I mean, the market, the 3 to 5 year market, may be betting that we're going to get there, but we're not close yet, and that's why Powell sounds so concerned about a hot economy.
Forex.com, committed to helping improve your trading skills with innovative tools. Our exclusive performance analytics gives you personalized, in-depth insights for better trading. See your trade history from a variety of perspectives and uncover your least and most successful habits or markets.
So that's the point, though. That economy, that expectation for a slowdown has been discounted in stocks. It's been discounted in the forward 10-year return, and it's been...
Yeah, but in all due respect, Jerry, I think you just kind of avoided the subject we were talking about. You're switching the economy now. We're still talking about your statement about 2% CPI there. What are we talking about here, Jerry?
Counted in the far-out bond market. You can argue that there's more to come in terms of pain, but when you break the economy apart, you don't have the classic. So if you go look at consumer balance sheets, you look at corporate balance sheets, you look at the labor markets, all of the things that have historically caused really bad recessions aren't present today, or nearly all of them. And meanwhile, all you have is the Fed with a big stick trying to swing at something. My point is, they're going to need to unemploy about 1.5 million people to reach these kind of goals of higher unemployment and looser labor markets. And they're not going to need to. We're already at the point now where all these indicators have given you enough room as an investor to say, maybe there's more upside than downside risk here.
You're sounding like Elizabeth Warren, Jerry.
I don't think she's an expert in upside downside risk, but I could be wrong. The point is, if you abandon stocks just because you get 5% T-bill yields, you're asking yourself to act as though you can see beyond something that none of us can see.
So I agree with him on that statement. I just don't know where he was going with the whole 2%. We're at 2% now, and I feel like he just totally skipped over that. And, some of his points are good here, but it just, I'm like, how did we skip over that, man?
But if you look at MasterCard or Las Vegas Sands or Exxon or these big companies that are doing just fine, whose earnings estimates have already been adjusted lower, why wouldn't you take the chance today that that's actually going to be a conservative outlook a year from now? And that's the job of an investor, right? Our job isn't to sit here and angst over what the Fed's doing in March of 2023, but we have to look forward at what's going to be the economic environment in 2024.
If we go to new highs this year, so some have said, Jerry, to me.
To be fair, let me take the bullish case here, okay? Or excuse me, the bearish case. Let me take the bearish case, okay? To be fair, if you're looking from the bearish side, you could say, well, 2024 could be recessionary, right? If, let's say, the economy weakens over the next 3 to 6 months, that weakens into the end of 2023, which leaks into 2024. You get bigger and bigger layoffs in 2024. I'm not saying I necessarily believe that, but I'll at least stick up for kind of the bearish side, and that's definitely a potential, right? It's a potential that is at least there.
that they think the market can make a run to new highs this year before we reverse lower. I mean, is that a situation where you ever at some point say to clients, you know, okay, this rebound has come too far, we're moving to the sidelines?
I mean, where is it going to come from? I'll use the example in January. The rally came from a lot of the bounce moves in some of the high-tech names. I would say those will expire, and they already have. But if you ask me the places, and think about this, the S&P 500 is trading at 14.8 times every name except the top biggest, the FANG stocks. That's a very attractive, target-rich environment for investing in stocks, even if you have to pay 5% interest rates. Historically, we've been able to value stocks at 20 times with 5% interest rates, and now we get them at 15. And that gives you a broad universe of names to buy without worrying about what some business with no earnings is going to do.
MasterCard, ExxonMobil, Las Vegas Sands, he's taking them to the bank. Jerry, thanks for your time today. We appreciate it.
Oh, fair play, Jerry. Interesting fella. I've never seen him on before. It seemed like he made some good points, but he was just a little weird about the whole 2% CPI. We're already there. He never really dove back into that one. But anyways, guys, appreciate you joining me. As always, much love. Thanks for being subscribed. 24,200 plus subscribers now on the channel. Make sure you join us on Patreon if you want to support the channel, plus see the moves I'm making out there. And have a great day.
Stay away from my wife.
Oh, yeah.
Acting is the art of making you believe what you're seeing is real. Will you?
Beats.
Are you driving way less than you used to? Do you have a clean driving record? Are you over 25?
Freestyle. This some nerd beat. This some nerd heat. I gotta nerf these bars to make them squirt, please. Get up off me, this shit too bizarre. I'm buying all foreign cars. I got me all foreign bras. She on the plane with the rod. Oh, fuck, bitch. I mean, whoops. Oh, is that a shooting star? I ain't heard this beat before, but it's by Urban Nerd Beats, so some Urban Nerd Heat. Yeah. This beat's called Heavy. I'm gonna get up on this shit and I'm gonna move steady. I don't fuck with all these bitches cause they all be so petty. I'm about to get the bready, so get off of my head, please. I am too heady off the weed I've been smoking. Got the bud in my mouth that I'm toking. Off the top and I'm spoken. These words I'm not wrote. I'm written. This is off the top of the dome. I'm just spitting. I'ma get done with it and play with the kitten. Then I'll grab on the smithing cause I know that she crippin'. So I just gotta be safe. I'ma have to keep the pace. I don't have a pencil so I can't erase. You cannot erase me so you must erase. I know that you like it, yeah, you love the chase. If that's the case, then you can get my number. I don't want you following me, please, bitch, do not hover. I'ma have to go ahead and write down your number. Maybe grab a rubber, cause you a bad bitch. I wanna come up. I may come over, but I'm not sober. Hard to keep my composure. Feel like I'm moving closer to doing what I'm supposed to. Slowly every day, I'm gonna have to go my own way. It's my own path that I must pave. Risk I'm taking brave. Hopefully it all don't go away. I'm on my knees, God, like I'm about to pray. They don't wanna. I mean, I don't really like this beat that much. Normally he gives
Forex.com, committed to helping improve your trading skills with innovative tools.
I didn't really like it much. Reverse time. Up the ladder I climb, wonder how long I've been here, like what's the time? I don't even remember, I'm just here to rhyme. I I don't remember. Cutting down the trees and I'm yelling timber. Cold days in the past December. Man, do you remember what happened? It's the truth, not capping. Action, if you want it, I'm napping. I don't like how these bitches really just acting. I'm just trying to follow all my motherfucking passion. Yeah, it's too easy. Get up on the beat, I am always breezing. Got the money now, neck and ice freezing. Oh, I don't have to give a reason. I know it's my time, it's my season. I'ma get the demons on my brain, I beat them. Every day I'm gonna win, I'm succeeding. Got money, so now my whole family eating. I be doing this shit, I'll make it look easy. I don't give a fuck if you think I'm cheesy, cause every day I'm getting bread, I've been eating. Wanna play with me, don't want beef, nigga, I'm vegan. I'ma go hard, cause this is my season. I don't give a fuck what you think, don't care what reasons you got. I be getting high, smoking on all of the pot. I got a lot of money, this is something you don't got. And I do it real good. Didn't make it out the hood, but I started from the bottom. Got the op, yeah, had to shot him. Shit, fucked up, but I'm back on it. Getting high off the good chronic. I'ma go slow and speed it up just like Sonic. With the words, I'm a robot, bionic. You cannot do what I got it. Got a bad bitch, she's a goddess. And I'm just trying to be honest. Feel like Abe Lincoln, the way that I'm honest. Feel like Kendrick, the way that I'm on it. Okay, now we going back at it. Taking all these drugs, feeling like an addict. I be getting to the cash, I'm about to stack it. If I wanna get a pass, I'm gonna attract it, yeah. This shit really fucking simple. I'ma pop a pussy boy just like a pimple. When I come in, I leave a ripple. Shit, I'ma make this shit look simple. Pop a pussy boy like a pimple. When I smile, bitch, I got some dimples. And I know you like that shit, so come over, we can make it simple. Just a little. I wanna get you to my place for a little. I wanna do so many things. Feel like it's all make believe, but I keep doing with some ease. Searching inside for some peace. And the ops, may you rest in peace. May you rest in peace. I know that you are deceased. I'm the best on the beat. I feel like a beast. Got the money and I went and caught Patek Philippe's. Oh, I don't fuck with the lames and geeks. I got bad bitches on my line, hella freaks. I don't give a fuck, been here for fucking weeks. And I haven't even reached my fucking peak. What's up? She gonna hit me on my WhatsApp. Texting on my phone like, what's that? I don't even know her. So that's how you know the girl ain't a hoe. I'ma have to send her to the store to just go and pick up a foe. She faked the coffin, now she gonna go get some walk. I feel like I'm fucking Poe. Kung Fu Panda with the shit on the flow. Kick a nigga ass, cause you know that's how it go. Best to ever do it, yeah, you already know. Yeah, you know it. Off of the top, I'm spitting, I'm not a poet. Off of the top of the mind, I never wrote it. But I love the totem. Meant to say big guns, I love the totem. She can get down, suck my dick and my scrotum. I'ma get up on the beat and I'ma keep on going. I feel like I'm water with this shit, cause I keep flowing. Oh shit, wait, maybe I'm Odin. I see the future clearly, now I'm omnipotent. I'ma slow down time, I feel like it's slow motion. I be trying to fit it all in the but I'm a little stuttery. I'm not smooth, I'm not buttery. But it's okay, come and comfort me. I really want your company. Yeah. I don't know. That was I. Haven't even reached peak. Not my type. Got a bad bitch, but she really not the hype. She want FaceTime me, I told her Skype. If I see a op, then you know I had to snipe.
Forex.com, committed to helping improve your trading skills with innovative tools.
Even though I like that beat, let's go watch he said 9:15, 11:15. 2 minutes yet left and you haven't smashed the like button? I was out there moving if I see a beat, then I'll click it. Got 2 more scrolls left, buddy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's just like gambling. R&B type beat. Damn, this shit sounds nice. Swear to God, this shit sounds sweet.
This the one.
Ooh, bad bitch on the screen. About to buy a Louis V. Got to get Supreme. I'm the best, got the beams. Gun come with the lasers, so it's not what it seems. You know me, I got the team, and we all finna eat. If I win, then we succeed. I be getting to the beats, I be getting to the bread. Now I'm getting to the head. After that, I go to bed. After that, I take some meds. After that, I get some head again. Sorry, I'm stuttering. But I fucked up. It's okay, cause I'm about to go and get another one. That's another hit. She gonna eat my dick like a honey bun. I'ma make them all my fucking sons, cause I'm at the top, bitch. I'm number one. And you ain't learning lessons, so you never won. I'ma get the game on my shoulders, bitch. They all my sons. I just do this shit on the weekends, it's just for fun. There's a lot of lessons that could be done. Yeah, but never mind that. I be going off, I got sidetracked. I'm just trying to get my whole life back. I'm just trying to get my whole life back. Sorry if I got a little sidetracked. I be getting to cash out deal stack. A lot of money. I'm gonna hop on the beat. I feel like a bunny. You don't try to take it from me. I'm gonna put you underground just like a mummy. I think that you is a dummy. Off of the top, I know that she's humming to all of my songs. Yeah, she's singing along. Hit it to my room, I take off the thong. We getting high, hitting the bong. I know that she like me, cause I'm at the top, I feel like King Kong. Yeah, okay. I don't mind my songs, so why would I right my wrongs? I just do this shit, you can just come along for the ride, catch a vibe. I'ma go ahead and do the ride. If you wanna do the time, if I go hard, I'm with the slime. Yeah. I know that this shit is perfect time. I can see all of the stars align. I feel like I am fucking flying. Maybe I am Peter Pan. Never wanna ever land. I feel like I'm in Neverland. I don't even know. Do I need a Zan? I don't wanna be in another trance. I just want you in my room finna dance. I just want you in my room take your pants off. I don't know what the sign is. You a fucking cancer. I know that you is an exact answer. I don't even know if I got the answers that I'm looking for, but I'm gonna have to transfer. Transfer. Maybe transform, I'm about to reform, I'm about to go hard. Okay, you gotta be live.
Are
now.
you driving way less than you used to?
Yeah.
Do you have a clean driving record?
Duh.
Are you over 25?
No. They almost got me with that ad. They almost got me with it.